Welcome to the program. You're watching Sean Bike. My name is Sean Santa Maria. Right here is a Moovr parking section. And this is a, di ko alam ang full concept nito, no? But this is a scan-a-ride kind of transportation system. And we're gonna check out their bikes. Tara! This is not a sponsored video in any way. Interested lang ako. Nasa West Gate tayo. Okay, coffee ride. Tumigil na kami. Ordered my food and coffee. And I saw this. Couldn't help but approach it and admire it. So, aluminum. Meron siyang parang lavender colorway. I have this almost half-wheel fender. I really don't know what I'm looking at, sa totoo lang. You have these horizontal dropouts. Single speed. Parang drum brake pa yata ito. How big is the chain ring? Maliit. I'm guessing 26 lang ito. I may be wrong. If you have the exact info, let me know. Pero parang 26er lang siya. Crank arms are long. I'm guessing 175 yan. Stainless steel pedals with reflectors. And look at this huge ass saddle. Literally huge ass saddle. Importante yun eh. For upright riding, para may comfort. Minsan di mo na kailangan ng chamois shorts for this. Oh, parang ito yung mga sunrise bar ng mga surly. Pero very pronounced. Pang BMX. These are motorized pala ha. May throttle yan. Ayan dito. Ano? What did I do? Okay, I'm not gonna mess with it. Pero throttle style ito. I think ito ang tingnan natin to ha. To slow down, release the throttle button. Kickstart your ride. Iba. So there's instructions for the kick scooter. Pull the lever to your left. To slow down, release the throttle button. Pinipindot guys. There's a throttle button. Wala namang wala. I don't know what I'm looking at. Ito siya. So yung harap, 1/4 covered din yung wheel ng fender. So talagang splash guard. Kahit nakaputi ka, hindi ka you don't have to worry. Kenda K West. Tingnan natin para sigurado ah. I know these are 26ers. 1.5 ang kapal niya. Carry basket sa unahan. May reflector. Naglalak siya. Okay, let's straighten a few things out. Okay, una-una, hindi motorized yung bisikleta, hindi siya e-bike, wala rin siyang throttle like I thought it had. Okay, kasi misleading yung standee kung nasan yung instructions. It contained instructions for the e-scooter and the bike magkahalo na. So, mamimislead ka pag yun lang yung tiningnan mo, okay? And all they had there were bicycles, pero nakalagay dun sa instruction board, pull the lever, press the button, and squeeze, whatever, no? Iisipin ng tao talaga na e-bike siya. But it won't take long for you to realize na hindi. Pure depadjak siya, okay? We no longer took the bike out for a spin, obviously, and I wasn't gonna do that. I was in the middle of breakfast when I just saw this group of bicycles na medyo weird. interesting. I just had to approach it and make a video out of it. Why not, diba? So one thing you need to understand about Moovr is that this is app driven. Okay, you go to the back of the bicycle, there's a code, use your smartphone, scan it. It's gonna take you to, it's gonna ask you to download the Moovr app, and you take it from there. Kung may GCash ka, kung may banko ka na tied to e-commerce, use that to pay. Okay, this is not an instructional, not sponsored by any way. I don't even know what the app looks like, pero yan ang basic concept. So sinubukan kong sampahan yung bike. Gumalaw ng konti yung rear wheel. Nag-auto lock, tapos nag-tututut. May ganong mechanism. You know, you can attempt, pero useless. So magandang security system. So ayan, Moovr, I don't know the concept, I don't know how it works. Nakakita ako ng grupo ng bisikleta na kakaiba. I approached it without understanding what it is. And after I shoot this, I'm gonna do a little bit of research. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description. But it's obviously a rent a bike, scan a bike kind of transportation system. Alabang, West Gate. Nakasakay na ba kayo niyan? Have you had any experience with Moovr? Let me know.